Hello guys, this is Momo and today I want to teach you how to add your own created object to the Smart Pattern library. And as you know, this Smart Pattern is really great tools that we have in Matrix Code, and it helps us to run and apply the array along the surface in transform menu parametrically and in a dynamic way. So it means that if I change any parameters of the smart pattern, I can see it immediately and I can decide it is my desirable result or not. So I don't need to repeat the array along the surface many times. Okay, so it's really cool and handy and helpful. So just to ensure that this command works well, we need to follow some rules that I want to explain to you. So let me teach you the first rule. The first rule is you need to limit your object in a rectangle with these dimensions 5 by 5. So it means that if you want to create your object to use in a smart pattern, you need to make a rectangle center and then type 5 by 5. Okay, very good. And now let me make one sphere. I go to solid. I make one sphere, 0. Okay, type 2. Select the object, I can use array command in transform menu to arrange these objects, but I prefer to use the gumball function. Okay, so I press alt click and then type 1.9. Very good. Mirror it to the other side and then select these two, click alt, okay, click, and I type a 0.95. Okay, and then go to right 0.95. Okay, I don't need to press alt. Okay, okay, very good. Mirror it to the other side. This one, not that one. Okay, and then select, and then 1.9. Yes, oops, these two. 1 point alt 1.9. Okay, and then select all, mirror it to the other side. Okay, and then the second rule is you need to rebuild your objects to degree 3. Otherwise, you have a problem when you use a smart pattern. Your objects can't follow can't follow the shape of the curvature of the surface smoothly. So I highly recommend you to rebuild your object to degree 3. Okay, alt, oops, rebuild degree 3. Okay, very good. So to have a seamless pattern, you need to select your object and then scale them up or down. Okay. For example, in this case, I need to scale down or scale up. It doesn't matter. Okay. So the corner of the rectangle need to touch the center of a sphere. Okay. Roughly. Okay. Okay, good. Very close. Okay, so it caused that I have a seamless pattern. Okay, and then cap Boolean difference, Boolean intersection, sorry, Boolean intersection. Select everything and then that one. Very good. So what does it mean, a seamless pattern? Let me show you. This is a seamless pattern. So if I select that one and then copy, Look at here. So this is a seamless pattern. You can see a seam, and the object at the border, it follow the shape of the center one. Okay, very good. So now let me do some things. Let me create a box. Okay, 0. Okay, and then that one. Okay, scale it, and then Boolean difference, Boolean, Boolean difference, this by this. I don't need this part. Very good. And then it's time to Uh, uh, so now my object is unified. I don't need to do Boolean union. But if your objects are is not unified, and for example you have two, three, or four objects, you need to do Boolean union. Okay, you need to save your file as one object. Please follow this rule. So file, export. Okay, I can save it as Momo number 6. Save, yes, no problem. I select, so where, sorry, I forgot to tell you where you need to save it. Okay, in Documents, Matrix Code, Smart Pattern, Library, Smart Patterns, and you can save it here. Okay, very good. Let me repeat it again. Very good. Now it's time to use a smart pattern. Click. I need to go to transform, smart pattern. But this is a trick. Before selecting your design, you need to go to, let me activate my dynamic commands panel. You need to go here, quick. You need to activate quick edit mode and then change it to 2. Okay, so I select that one and then select. I need to wait. That's it. So I just need to play with that. Okay, 2 by 2. Or you can say 3 if you want 3. Okay, and you want 3. Very good. And this is my pattern. So with the thickness handle, I can change the thickness of my object. So if I want to have it thicker, I can use it. If I want to move my objects along the normal of the surface, I can use the distance W easily. Okay, and that's it. And when you are happy with that, just press enter. And this is your object. Great. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.